How to use DeepSeek AI Assistant. DeepSeek AI can be accessed through its official app, so tap on it. Simply log into your account by entering your credentials or sign in with your Google. And you will be greeted with a clean dashboard. Tap the chat icon to start a conversation. Type your query and get AI-powered response instantly. Click on the plus icon to add PDFs or images up to 100 MB. AI will summarize, extract data, and analyze the content automatically. Again, type in your query and tap the search option located below your keyboard to get up-to-date information from 100+ sources. Also select the DeepThink R1 if you want to ask complex questions and get advanced AI reasoning response. Furthermore, click on the two horizontal line icon and tap on your email at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the color scheme. Enable the dark mode for eye-friendly viewing, or choose the light mode for bright and clear interface. So this is how to use DeepSeek AI.